Will Mnangagwa halt his new structured currency? This question echoes in the minds of many as Zimbabwe introduces a fresh currency to combat its high inflation and stabilize the economy. Diving into the specifics, the new currency christened Zim Gold or ZiG is backed by foreign currencies, gold, and precious minerals. This currency is not a standalone. It will circulate alongside other existing currencies. Zimbabweans have a 21-day window to convert their old cash into this new currency. The central bank's intent behind this move is to introduce simplicity and predictability into the nation's financial affairs. The new banknotes are indeed a sight to behold, featuring gold ingots and balancing rocks. However, this move has not come without its share of concerns. Questions have been raised about the country's reserves to back this new currency. But the central bank stands firm in its claim of having sufficient gold reserves and a stringent monetary policy in place. To summarize, Zimbabwe has introduced a new currency, the Zim Gold, backed by foreign currencies, gold, and other precious minerals. This currency will circulate alongside other currencies, and Zimbabweans have 21 days to convert their old cash. The central bank aims to bring simplicity and predictability to the nation's financial scene with this new currency. Concerns have been raised about the country's reserves to back the new currency. However, the central bank insists on having sufficient gold reserves and a tight monetary policy. Will Mnangagwa stop this new structured currency? The answer hangs in the balance as the country and the world watches Zimbabwe's next moves in its economic chess game.